Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Liquidity Swing Indicator by LuxAlgo. To begin, open the LuxAlgo website in your browser. This is where you'll access the platform and find the indicator in their library. Once the page loads, take a moment to get oriented with the layout so it's easier to follow the next steps. At the top right of the page, click on Library. This section is where LuxAlgo keeps its available tools and indicators, so if you're looking for a specific feature, this is the right place to start. Opening the library will bring you to a searchable collection of resources. Once you're in the library, type Liquidity Swing into the search bar. Be sure to enter the phrase clearly so the results match the indicator you're trying to find. Searching directly is the quickest way to narrow down the list, especially if there are many tools available on the platform. After the results appear, look for Liquidity Swing in the list. Take a second to confirm that the name matches exactly. This helps avoid opening the wrong tool, especially if there are other indicators with similar names or related trading features. When you find Liquidity Swing, click on it to open the Indicators page. This page usually gives you access to the tool and may also include extra information about how it works. If you're new to the indicator, this can be a useful place to pause briefly and review what you're about to add to your chart. Next, click on Get Access. This step is important because it enables the indicator for your account or prepares it for use within the charting environment. Depending on the platform setup, there may be a short moment while the page processes your request, so give it a second if needed. After that, click on Use on Chart. This will apply the Liquidity Swing indicator to your chart so you can start viewing it in action. Once it loads, you should be able to see the indicator directly on the chart interface, which makes it easier to begin analyzing market structure and liquidity movement visually. And that's it. You've successfully found the Liquidity Swing Indicator in the LuxAlgo library, requested access and added it to your chart. If anything doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or reopening the chart area and repeating the final step. Thanks for following along, and you're now ready to start using the Liquidity Swing Indicator in LuxAlgo.